So guys, my name is Johnik. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's start today's first exercise to improve your knowledge. So who first question is who invented the ballpoint pen? So its answer is A. Big Brother Barrow Brothers. Option A is the correct answer, guys. Let's see the explanation. The Hungarian brother Laszlo and Georges Broro made the first ball pen point in 1894. It follows the first workable fountain pen which was invented by L. E. Waterman in 1884. Let's see second question, guys. So second question is in which decade was the first solid state integrated circuit demonstrated? So its answer is option A 1950. So option A is the correct answer, guys. On September 12, 1958, Jack Kilby demonstrated the first working IC while working for Texas Instrument. Although the US Patent Office awarded the first patent of an integrated circuit of Robert Noyce of Fairchild. It's very difficult to take a name Noiko. It's a unique name, guys. So let's move on. Third question. So the third question is what JP Dunlop invented. So anybody guesses? So the answer is option A, pneumatic rubber tire. So option A is the correct answer, guys. Explanation is John Boyd Dunford, a veterinary surgeon, invented the pneumatic tire in 1887. Let's move on. Next question. Question 4 is which scientist discovered the radioactive element radium? So its answer is option D, guys. Marie Curie. Option D is the correct answer. So here is no explanation. So let's move on. Next question. Question number 5. When was barbed wire patent? So its answer is option A in 1874. Option A is the correct answer. Explanation. Joseph F. Gladden was born in New York on June 18, 1812. He invented barbed wire in 1873 and was granted the patent on November 24, 1874. After a 3-year battle over the patent, which he eventually won, Gideon became known as the father of barbed wire. So let's move on. Next question. Question number 6. Which is the name of the Celtic scientist who invented the scale used to measure the magnitude of earthquakes? So its answer is option number A, Charles Richard. Option A is the correct answer. Charles Richard. Richard was born on the Ohio farm in 19th decade. He died in 1985. So let's move on. Next question. Next question is what is Galileo invented? Everybody knows that it's easy. It's option number 4, thermometer. So option D is the correct answer. Explanation. Various authors have credited the invention of thermometer of Cornelius Drebbels, Robert Fluid, Galileo Galilei, or Santorio Santoria. The thermometer was not a single invention, however, but a development. Galileo Galilei is a discovered that object, glass vapors filled with aqua or silently at different densities would rise and fall, which is nowadays the principle of Galileo thermometer show. Today such thermometer as a calibrated to as a temperature scale. So let's move on. Next question. Next question is question number 8. This statement political scholar inventor, one of early presidents of USA, invented the swivel chair, the spherical sundial, the moldboard plow, and the chipper wheel. So its answer is option number, I think it's D. Thomas Jeff Jefferson. It's option number D, guys. So its explanation: Thomas Jefferson, April 13, is born in April 13, 1743 to July 4th, 1826, was the third president of the United States, 1801 to 1809, and the principal author of Declaration of Independence 1776. So guys, that's it for today. My side. Let's meet tomorrow lecture. So have a good night. Thank you.